Hello lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you. If you're new to my channel, please like, subscribe, comment and share. Today we'll be making okra soup. Wash your proteins and cook for 15 minutes. Add maggi and salt. Blend your crayfish and pepper. Add your blended crayfish and pepper. Cover for 5 minutes. Add oil and bring to a boil. Then add the blended okra and combine together. Add your roasted fish or baked fish. Add the chopped okra and stir together. Then add your chopped vegetable and cook for a minute. Then the food is ready to serve.